In this video, you are going to learn how to create a solid color layer in Adobe Premiere Pro and also how to change that color once it is created. After creating the project file, follow these steps that I am showing to you. You can create a solid layer in two ways. One is directly going to the project panel. Right click on the blank space. You can see these options. Here, hover the mouse cursor over the new item. Next, you will see a list of options here. Select the color matte option. A new pop-up window will be shown asking you to change the video settings if you want. By default, it chooses the sequence settings. Then click on OK. Now, the color picker window will be shown and choose the color that you want. After selecting the color, click on OK. Now, a pop-up will be shown asking you to give a name for this. You can enter anything as you like. Even if you don't enter, not a problem. Later, you can change the name by selecting that. Now, simply drag and drop it into the timeline to use it. The second way is select the file option at the top and choose New. Then select the color matte. The same options will be shown as before. Now, let's say you want to change the color after creating this solid color layer. Do note that once you change the color, wherever you used this layer in the timeline, it all changes. Double press the color layer in the project panel that you created. The color picker window will be shown. Now you can change the color whatever you like and hit OK. That's it. This is how you can create and change the solid color layer that you created in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like this video if this tutorial helped you, and also subscribe to this channel for more video editing and YouTube related topic videos.